Hi guys, this is Gavin from Gym Country, and today I'm bringing you a HIIT workout at home. So this is a fat burning HIIT workout of 2 circuits, 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. You're going to be sweating, you're going to be working as hard as you can. Guys, exercise 1 of 4 is 5 jumping jacks into a walkout. 40 seconds, let's go. Feet together, arms up, try touch your hands, legs all the way out. 5, feet shoulder width, abs braced, all the way up, back nice and flat, abs in, and back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, quality over pace, steady, don't want any kind of shift, abs in, up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me show you side on, back straight, up, 5, 4, pick up the pace, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exercise 2 of 4, 40 seconds, guys. We've got a squat into a leg kick, into a kick out. You've got a prisoner squat, feet shoulder width, toes slightly out. You're going to do is push your glutes and your hips back, hands on your head, drop into heels, kick, out, kick, squat, kick. Stay square on, stay squat, front on, keep your knees stable, legs straight on the kick. 40 seconds. Keep working the load in the muscles on the way down, down, up into your heels, down, up, keep going, 40 seconds, keep working. Feel the core, feel the legs. Nearly there. Keep your posture, stay controlled. Exercise 3 or 4 is a 1 burpee into 5 high knees. So here we go, guys. Feet shoulder width, burpee, jump all the way out, stretched, abs in. I don't want to see the back bend in. Hips nice and high up, jump up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As hard as you can, as fast as you can, out, in. 5, use your arms to get more speed. 3, 2, 1, out, in, up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms up, up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still going. 5, 4, knees up. 3, 2, 1. The final exercise, the 4th exercise, 40 seconds on, is a legs burner, is a backward stepping lunge. Hands on your hips for balance. You're going to go all the way back at a right angle. Knee behind the toe, step forward. 1 leg back, step forward. All about control and balance. Brace your abs, keep your back straight, all the way out into a right angle there. Then we can load the muscle on the way down, nice and low. 40 seconds. Start to work on the pace and the control. You can feel my quads starting to burn, my quads and my glutes. We don't stop, we keep working. We want to feel nice and tired, feel like we've really worked this circuit. Good. 3, 2, 1. So there you have it. That's round 1. Remember, you've got 2 rounds of the same circuit. You go back to the start. You start off with the jumping jacks into the walkout. So now that we've smashed the first circuit, we're on to the second circuit of 4 exercises. 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. So we still got some more in the tank. This one's going to be more core based. So first exercise we got is a Renegade Row, just to get the core nice and warm again, get it going again. In the full press up position, feet shoulder width so we don't wobble, nice steady base, abs in, back straight, tighten the glutes, all the way up, try not to shift too much, all the way up to your chest, hand up to your chest, like you're rowing. 40 seconds. Show you front on, nice steady base, up, down, up, changing hands, up, up. So we don't want to shift, to anything, we want to stay still on our hips, braced on our abs. Really tighten the abs and core, starting to feel this burn. 2 of 4, is a Russian twist. So we're going into a V position, feet together there, guys. Abs in, shoulders back. No weight needed. 40 seconds. You want to try and keep your legs as still as possible, abs as tight as possible. The idea of this, guys, is to be as stable and still as possible. I don't want to see any shift like this. So nice and still. Squeeze, squeeze all the way across. Show you side on. Squeeze, squeeze. Remember, all about quality, not quantity. Three, two, one. Okay, third exercise. We're almost there. 40 seconds, mountain climbers. So going on to all fours in a full press up position. Hands in line with your feet there, parallel. And back nice and flat. Knees in towards the chest. Really bringing those knees in. Make sure your hands are directly under your shoulders. And start working the rhythm and the pace. Like you're turning the engine on and you're going. One, 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 one. Keep working. Keep driving the knees in. Really feeling the abs now after the last two. And stop. Killer, always a killer. Never gets easier, but always a great one to get a sweat on. Almost there, we've got the fourth exercise. Remember, you still got one more round of these 4 exercises, but this one is all about legs, all about the burn. We've got 40 seconds of squat jumps, feet just wider than shoulder width, toes turned out slightly, and load the legs, and you've got to use your arms and jump. Load, jump. Guys, I understand if you can't do this, you can just go into the squat, easier version, but if you can do the jump, you're going to get these quads burning. High as you can through the bottom, load the weight through the heels, up, high as you can. Then we pick up the pace, bang. We never give up, keep working, keep pushing. There you have my 2 circuits of a home HIIT workout for you. Hope you enjoyed it, I hope you worked hard. There's more to come.